Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flair. I'm Emily, and today we're going to create a sweet and symbolic piece, a double heart crystal suncatcher that's perfect as a gift or for adding love-filled sparkle to your space. Let's take a quick look at the materials you'll need. Feel free to pause the video here if you want to check the list more closely. If you'd rather not gather everything yourself, I offer a complete DIY kit with all these materials, so you can make one and gift it too. You'll find the link in the description. Let's begin with step 1, preparing the double heart frame. Start with the large heart. Cut a piece of 0.4mm wire about 1 meter, 40 inches long. Choose a starting point. The top of the heart is often best for symmetry. Secure the wire by wrapping it around the frame 2 to 3 times. Use your pliers to flatten and tighten the wire snugly to the frame. Now begin adding your beads. Slide one small crystal bead onto the wire. Then wrap the wire once or twice around the frame to hold it in place. Continue this process, bead, wrap, until you've covered as much of the frame as you like. Repeat the same steps for the smaller heart frame. You can match the bead pattern for a cohesive look or go for a contrasting color palette to make it pop. I love using rainbow shades for symbolism. Each bead can represent joy, hope, or a loving memory. Tip: try to keep your spacing between beads even. This creates a clean, graceful line that makes your suncatcher look extra polished and professional. Once both hearts are wrapped, we'll join them together. Using a short piece of chain and a few jump rings, attach the small heart inside the larger one. The goal is to let the smaller heart dangle gently, either centered or slightly off-center for a more artistic effect. For added charm, slide a sun-shaped charm and a small bead onto the chain connecting the hearts. Quick hint, if you notice the hearts tilting once connected, try wrapping a short loop of wire at the top of the small heart to create balance. This will help it hang straight and steady. Let's move on to step 2, creating the hanging strands. We'll begin by preparing the 2 side strands. Cut 2 equal lengths of chain, each one about 12 to 14 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.5 inches. On each chain, start by attaching a sun or star charm to the top using a jump ring. In the middle of the chain, add an AB crystal bead. At the bottom, attach a teardrop prism. Make sure all connections are tight and secure using your pliers. Next, for the central strand, cut a slightly longer chain, about 15 centimeters, 6 inches. Attach a decorative charm at the top. A heart, moon, or star all work beautifully. In the center of the chain, attach the butterfly charm. Below it, add a small crystal bead to transition into your bottom prism. Finally, finish the strand with a teardrop crystal at the end. This central strand should have a little more drama, so feel free to embellish it more. Creative tip, feel free to add extra tiny beads near the butterfly to help reflect more light. You can also alternate shapes and finishes for extra texture and sparkle. Now we're at step 3, final assembly. Using jump rings, attach all 3 strands, 2 side chains and 1 center chain to the lower edge of the large heart frame. Place them evenly apart and use your pliers to gently adjust their position so they hang symmetrically. Once everything is connected, hold your piece up and let it sway. Watch how the crystals and charms move. If anything seems uneven, you can always go back and adjust a chain length or charm placement slightly. Extra tip: hang your finished suncatcher near a sunny window, glass door, or balcony where it can catch natural light. If you're gifting it, wrap it in soft tissue and tuck it into the included gift box for a beautiful unboxing experience. And there you have it, your very own handmade double heart suncatcher. It's not just a decorative piece, but a symbol of connection, care, and light. It's perfect for a loved one or for your own space to remind you of love and inner peace. Thanks so much for crafting with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to Crystal Flair for more peaceful and creative DIYs. Until next time, keep shining.